I think the attention that it's going to do, I think the level, the attraction, I think it's incredible for the league to bring a player with such a status here, and it tells you the ambition of the league, where they want to take it, and the direction that this is taken. I think is extremely positive for the league. Pues que va a revolucionar y cambiar esta liga. Solo su presencia, lo que ha hecho, lo significa para el fútbol mundial. La repercusión que va a tener va a ser excepcional, y creo que para el país es increíble que ha tomado la decisión de venir aquí.
But yeah, us Arsenal coming here, such a big team, big organization coming to the U.S. and showcasing their talents, and also with the MLS and growing the game with the MLS, it just continue to grow the game. And obviously with football in the U.S., the whole entire mindset through the national team, through MLS, and everything we're doing is to grow the game. So I think we're on the path.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as I heard that the pre-season tour was in America, I was just so happy, and I'm always happy to be back here. I'm going to be back here in September with the national team. So I mean, I've been here a lot recently, and I'm just happy, man. The vibes are always good, the people are always lovely, and I'm just looking forward to the game, of course, as you said.